Welcome back to another video from your friends at Altitude University. I'm David, and today we are going to talk about integrating drones into an existing business. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. Integrating drones into existing business models presents an opportunity to enhance your current operations, improve efficiency, and create new revenue streams. However, getting the most out of adopting drones requires a strategic approach to ensure alignment with business objectives, compliance with regulatory standards, and avoiding the headaches that come with adding new things to an existing operation. The integration process involves conducting a comprehensive cost-benefit analysis, effectively training staff, and developing a drone policy that mirrors the company's goals and values. The first step in integrating drones into a business model is conducting a thorough cost-benefit analysis. This analysis should account for the initial investment in drone technology, which includes the cost of drones themselves, any additional equipment needed for their operation, and the software for data analysis. Businesses must consider ongoing expenses such as maintenance, insurance, and potential regulatory licensing and fees. On the benefit side, drones offer a ton of operational advantages. For industries such as agriculture, construction, and logistics, drones can significantly reduce labor costs, enhance data accuracy, and speed up operations. For example, drones can survey a construction site in a fraction of the time it would take a human crew, providing immediate data to managers and stakeholders. Your analysis should also factor in the intangible benefits, like improved safety and customer satisfaction. Next is training your staff. The successful incorporation of drones into business operation hinges on having a well-trained staff capable of piloting drones and processing the data they collect. Training programs should not only focus on the technical aspects of flying drones, but also on understanding the legal and safety implications of their use. You'll need a curriculum that covers navigation and pilot skills, data analysis, and an understanding of the regulatory environment in which drones operate. Creating a training program that is accessible and efficient is key. Businesses might consider partnering with certified training providers or leveraging online courses tailored to commercial drone operation, such as those offered by Altitude University. Making sure your team is not only competent at piloting drones, but also informed about the ethical and privacy considerations is crucial. Your next move is to develop a drone policy. A well-structured drone policy is foundational to the seamless integration of drones into your business operation. This policy should detail the operational, legal, and ethical guidelines under which drones will be operating within the company. Important components of the policy should include the following 4 topics. 1. Compliance with local and federal laws. The policy must adhere to the regulations set forth by aviation authorities such as the FAA, including airspace restrictions, privacy laws, and certification requirements. Number 2. Operational procedures. Clearly defined operational procedures ensure that drone flights are conducted safely and efficiently. This includes pre-flight checks, maintenance routines, logging flights, and emergency procedures. Number 3. Privacy and data security. With drones capable of capturing vast amounts of data, businesses must address how this data will be stored, processed, and protected. The policy should respect privacy concerns and comply with data protection laws to safeguard against breaches. Number 4. Alignment with business goals. The drone policy should reflect the company's overarching objectives, whether it's enhancing service delivery, improving operational efficiency, or innovating product offerings. It should articulate how drone technology will be used to advance these goals. Integrating drones into an existing business model offers substantial opportunities for innovation and efficiency. By undertaking a detailed cost-benefit analysis, businesses can make informed decisions about the viability of drones in their operations. Training staff not only to pilot drones, but also to understand their broader implications ensures that the technology is used efficiently and responsibly. Finally, a comprehensive drone policy provides a framework for operation, aligning your drone's use with the company's strategic goals and legal obligations. Together, these strategies form a roadmap for businesses to navigate the complexities of adopting drone technology, paving the way for enhanced operational capabilities and competitive advantage in their respective industries. That's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other content for everything from passing the Part 107 exam to growing your drone business. Until next time, stay safe out there and happy flying.